How much does Tesla maintenance cost? Since Tesla makes fully electric cars, many of the standard maintenance items don't apply. You never need an oil change, for example, and you don't have to worry about traditional fuel costs. Tesla maintenance costs range from around $587 to $832 per year. In general, Tesla vehicles require less maintenance than many other cars, but individual services can be expensive. You can't cover Tesla maintenance costs with a warranty, but you can cover the cost of unexpected repairs. Tesla maintenance. It's true that Tesla owners don't have many of the same maintenance items that owners of ICE-powered vehicles have. Like with all EVs, there's no need for oil changes, spark plug replacements, fuel filter changes, or emissions inspections. According to the company, Tesla's regenerative braking system means owners won't need to replace brake pads or brake fluid as often either. Key takeaways. Overall, you can expect Tesla maintenance costs to be around $4,160 for the first 5 years of ownership. Unlike other manufacturers, Tesla does not require any maintenance items for their vehicles and only recommends select services on an as-needed basis. Repair costs for Tesla vehicles tend to be the most expensive in comparison to both EVs and gas-powered cars, so you should consider an extended car warranty. Tesla made some changes to its Model S and Model X vehicles in 2021 that influence certain maintenance requirements. We'll go over current maintenance requirements for all models here. Cabin air filter replacement. The filter should be changed every 2 or 3 years if it's a high-efficiency particulate air filter. For the 2021 S and X models, you only need to replace the standard air filter every 3 years. Tire rotation. Tesla recommends rotating the tires every 6,250 miles, or when the difference in tread depth between tires is 232-inch or greater. Brake fluid test. Tesla owners should have the brake fluid tested every 2 years and replaced as needed. Brake pads don't need to be replaced as often as on traditional vehicles because Teslas use regenerative braking to reduce wear. Winter care. Tesla recommends lubricating your car's brake calipers every 12 months or 12,500 miles if you live in a cold weather region. Air conditioning service. Tesla recommends servicing the air conditioning and replacing the desiccant bag every 2 to 6 years, depending on the model and year. Tesla maintenance estimates. Estimates for Tesla maintenance costs vary depending on the source. This is because, with so few years on the road, there is limited data for the brand. There is a considerable range in these estimates. On the low end, Car Edge estimates that the average Tesla costs around $587 per year to maintain. Kelley Blue Book, for example, estimates around $623 per year in regular maintenance costs. On the high side, RepairPal estimates annual Tesla maintenance costs to be around $832 per year. Again, Tesla is a relatively young brand with relatively little cost data to analyze. Is Tesla maintenance expensive? Compared to many standard automobiles, average Tesla maintenance costs are expensive. For example, RepairPal estimates that the average annual total cost of maintenance for Honda vehicles is $428 and $441 for Toyota cars, both slightly more than half that of Tesla. However, Tesla maintenance costs are fairly average or even slightly low compared to other luxury vehicles. The average BMW maintenance cost, for example, is estimated at $968 each year. Common Tesla maintenance items. In the table below, we've provided a list of several key maintenance services and the estimated costs to perform them. You'll notice that these cost estimates vary widely. Tesla maintenance service. Average Tesla maintenance cost. Tire rotation, $35 to $100. Windshield wiper blade replacement, $20 to $50. Cabin air filter replacement, $60 to $200. Tesla maintenance service. Interval cabin air filter replacement, Every 2 years, high-efficiency particulate air filter replacement. Every 3 years, tire rotation, balance, and wheel alignment. Every 6,250 miles, brake fluid test. Every 2 years, and replace as needed. Air conditioning service. Every 2 years for Model S, every 4 years for Model X and Model Y, and every 6 years for Model 3. Winter care for brake calipers, every 12 months or 12,500 miles in cold climates.